When you're selling your home, there are several mistakes you should avoid making, mistakes that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. I'm Ken Tyndall. I've been a real estate advisor for more than 20 years. In this short video, we'll talk about the 7 biggest mistakes to avoid when selling your home so you don't leave money on the table, and this might save you a few headaches along the way. The first mistake to avoid, not making repairs. This could be real trouble if you have potential buyers looking at your home and you have things that are broken or not working right, even little things like a dripping faucet or missing handles on a cabinet. They're going to wonder what else is wrong with the house. Home buyers today expect your house to be move-in ready. A cracked window, a broken tile, a hole in the drywall, all need to be fixed. And if you have issues with the HVAC system or the foundation, take care of those before you put your home on the market. It's going to show up in a pre-sale inspection anyway, and it's going to lower your sale price. You don't want buyers thinking, what else is wrong with the house? Or if you're trying to hide something. Selling your home as is not usually a good strategy unless you want to just unload it and sell it to an investor to flip. However, there are some things you should not fix when selling your home. I put together a video on that. There's a link down in the description. The next mistake to avoid is overpricing your home. Of course, you want to sell your house for top dollar, but you have to be realistic. If you price your home too high, it's likely going to sit on the market too long. The listing goes stale. Buyers get the impression there's something wrong with it. You end up lowering the price anyway, and that attracts lowball offers. You need to analyze other recent home sales in your area and set the price right from the start. If your home is priced competitively, you're more likely to get multiple offers. So if you want to sell your home faster and for a bigger profit, don't price it too high. Another mistake is failing to make a good first impression. Before you put your house up for sale, make sure it looks good inside and out. I'm talking about several things here, starting with curb appeal. Don't skip sprucing up your landscaping and keeping the outside of your home looking top-notch. On the inside, you'd think this goes without saying, but keep it clean and decluttered. You wouldn't believe how many homes I've been in that look junky and dirty. That makes a really bad impression for buyers. And don't forget staging. Whether you do it yourself or hire a professional, a staged home will sell faster and for more money. And talk about first impressions, cutting cost on photography is another mistake to avoid. Most people start their home search online, right? So if your online photos and videos don't look professional, you're going to lose potential buyers before they even step foot inside your home. The pictures need to be well lit and framed right to make your house stand out in a competitive real estate market. Same for high quality videos. Homes that have video marketing get 403% more inquiries, according to the National Association of Realtors. So be sure you have photos and videos and get it done right. Next, limiting showings. You need to be flexible when it comes to letting potential buyers see your home. Yes, it's inconvenient, those last-minute showings. You have to pack up the kids and the dog and go somewhere and make sure the house is clean and tidy before you go. But it's what you've got to do to get the most showings, more potential buyers, and the best offers. If somebody wants to see your house, let them see it before they go see somebody else's. And when potential buyers are looking at your house, leave. Let your real estate agent do the showing. If you're there, it just makes everybody feel uncomfortable. Another big mistake to avoid when selling your home, and this is huge, refusing to negotiate. Of course you want to get your asking price or higher. So you get an offer. It's a lot lower than what you're hoping for. Don't be insulted. Don't take it personally. Don't be offended. It's business. Yes, it's your home. You probably have an emotional attachment, right? If the buyers don't like your home, they wouldn't be making an offer, but everybody wants a good deal. So look at it as a starting point for negotiations. Don't let your emotions get in the way. The market will determine what you get for your house. It's worth whatever somebody's willing to pay for it. Sometimes that's below asking price, and sometimes it's higher than your asking price. A good real estate agent can help you price your home right, help you negotiate, and advise you on all the things I'm talking about in this video. Not getting help from a knowledgeable real estate agent is another mistake you should avoid when selling your home. Trying to do a for sale by owner might be more of a pain in the neck than it's worth. You could miss some important steps, get confused with some of the paperwork, the legal contracts, all the way through closing, and actually miss out on some profit. The typical for sale by owner home sold for $225,000 in 2021 compared with $330,000 for homes sold with help from a real estate agent. That's a big difference and a lot more than the real estate agent commission. And when it comes to a knowledgeable real estate agent, look, everybody knows a real estate agent, a neighbor, a family friend, a relative, your cousin's neighbor's friend, but do they know what they're doing? All agents don't have the same level of experience. Of course, we all had to start somewhere, but just make sure your agent knows what they're doing. When you're hiring a real estate agent, ask how they're going to market your home other than putting a sign in the yard and putting it on the MLS. Check out their online presence. Look at their other listings. How's the photography? Do they have video? Do a little research of your own. Try to determine a fair price for your home and look at the comps your agent comes up with. Work together to set the price right from the start. Get your home ready to sell and then consult with your agent and get it more ready, inside and out. Watch more videos and learn. By the way, did you know that for 51% of home buyers, YouTube is the #1 tool for research? And speaking of videos, you might want to check these out.